Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so updates won't fail. Plug the PC into power and use a reliable network connection. Updates can stall on battery or flaky Wi-Fi. Once done, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, and choose Windows Update. This launches the system's upgrade checks and shows pending patches. This step kickstarts the whole process and reveals required restarts or optional feature updates. You'll now let Windows fetch and apply updates. Click Check for Updates and allow downloads to proceed in the background so you can keep working. Install cumulative security patches and essential driver updates first because they fix vulnerabilities and ensure hardware stability, while optional feature updates can wait. Once installation reaches the required stage, Windows will prompt for a restart. Make sure to set active hours so restarts occur at convenient times. If multiple updates queue, expect several restarts and let each finish. You finish by confirming updates applied correctly. Open Update History to check for failures or pending actions. If an update stalls or fails, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then restart the Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Services. This often clears corrupted caches. If a new driver causes problems, roll it back in Device Manager or download the official installer from the hardware maker. Finally, make sure system restore points or backups are intact so you can revert quickly if anything unexpected occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.